thought I would go ahead and model some more problems. These are a little different than my previous problems, because in the previous problems we were dividing a whole number by a decimal. In this case we're dividing a decimal by a whole number, so it's going to be slightly different. So I thought I would go ahead and model them. So I'm going to go ahead and model traditional division and horizontal division. So let's get this one set up. 245.3 divided by 5. Two 45.3 divided by 5. Now, when we were dividing by a decimal, we were taking that decimal and moving it to make it easier to work with. In this case, we don't have to do that. Our decimal point will just go straight up to become part of our answer. So let's go ahead and start. 5 cannot go into 2. So we subtract the 0, bring down the 4 in this case, subtract the 0, bring up the 2. 5 can go into 24 4 times. 4 times 5 is 20. And subtract 20, we get 4. In this case, we'll bring down the 5. In this case, we'll bring the 4 up to the 5. 5 can go into 45 9 times. I'm going to get this out of my way for now. 9 times 5 is 45. With the 0, we bring up the 0. Okay. Bring down the 3. 5 can go into 3 0 times. Minus 0. And what we do here is we add on an extra space with a 0 in it. Here we just add a 0 and bring it down. So now we're left with 30. 5 can go into 30 6 times. And that gives us our answer of 49.06, or 49 6/100. Let's go ahead and do that one other one that I wanted to model. So we're going to do 757 6/10 divided by 8. I'm going to go ahead and set up traditional. In this case, my decimal point just goes up there and waits for me. Seven 57.6 divided by 8. Okay, 8 can go into 7 0 times. Brings it up and makes that. Bring down the 5. Okay, 8 can go into 75 9 times. That makes this 72. 9 times 8 is 72. 75 minus 72 is 3. In this case, we're going to bring down the 7. In this case, we bring up the 3 to meet the 7. 8 can go into 37 4 times. 4 times 8 is 32. I'm going to bring down the 6. 32. I'm going to bring up the 5. That decimal point is here after the 4. 94 point something. And we know that 8 can go into 56 7 times. 7 times 8 is 56. That leaves us with 0. So our answer up here is 94.7 or 94 7/10. I hope this helps. Use this as a refresher as needed, and as always, please ask questions if you've got them.